am Vishnu Anilpar. We are from JMT Mundra Global Fish School and we are present our organic farming and nature pest management. We all know that pesticides play a very valuable role in the controlling of pests and insects, but it is usually done without precision. Because of that, many people suffer from cancer, liver jam, neurological development, toxicity. We all know that cancer is a major problem in India, which only here is at the Tata Hospital in Mumbai. Many people from states like Punjab and Haryana come to Mumbai only for the cure of cancer. A trend previously called as Bhatinda Express is now called as cancer train due to the large number of patients traveling from various states to Mumbai only for the cure of cancer. So we have created some physical methods to reduce the use of pesticides.
This is pheromone trap at the top of the relatively salute in which the smell of human sex hormones are there. It attracts male moth and then fall in this container and this is bird stock. In previous era there were many trees on which birds can sit and then eat harmful insects on plants. Nowadays there are not many trees, so we can make this tree point with help of branches or sticks on which birds can sit and then it is harmful insects on plants.
Then this is the sticky trap. Sticky traps works on the concept of colors. Many insect species attract towards bright colors like blue and yellow. So we have created this sticky trap at home by placing a cardboard on a stick and applying grease on the cardboard and covering it with yellow or blue color. Due to which many insects come towards the trap and come and stick towards the trap. Then this is the light trap. Light trap works on the solar battery or cell energy, but we mostly use solar energy because it uses value for money. The light trap turns on from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. In those 4 hours, all insects which are harmful for the plants come out of their houses and try to eat the plants. Then this light turns on and the insects come and revolve around the light. But due to the kerosene placed inside the bowl under the light trap, they come and eventually fall. We have used this and we have got surprisingly working results.
This is pheromone trap we can make with help of this bottle, and this sticky trap we have to take a metal plate on which we have to paint blue or yellow color and then we have to put grease.
These methods involved in organic farming reduces air, water and land pollution and maintains clean environment. It is not harmful to the creatures. There is no harmful effects on human beings. It is economically beneficial and effortless to farmers and it leads to toxic reproduction.